Okay, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Among Us Shadow the Hedgehog. So let's get started. It's going to be super simple. Follow me all the way through the very end, okay? Let's do it. I'm going to draw over here like a curved line right here for kind of the top of the lens of the crewmate. Going to go over here now. I'm going to pull downward here on this side. Curve down. Like so. Going to go over here on this side. Going to do the same thing. Kind of go over here. Like so on that side. Now I'm going to just kind of connect these with a slight curve. Kind of rounding out that, window right there. Sorry if my audio is a little weird. Forgive me. Let me know if the sound is okay, by the way. Alrighty. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna pull a curve line for that spike at the top. So I'm gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna kind of pull back inward, like so. Gonna pull out that direction. I'm gonna go over here, pull down in, like so. Kind of another spike right there. So Shadow's a really cool character, by the way. I really like him. Also, don't forget, hit the like button if you like the way I'm teaching here. I'm trying to teach a lot slower because everybody requested it. So let me know if you like it by doing that. All right, I'm going to go over here now. And I'm going to draw the ear over here. So I'm going to pull a line out. And I'm going to pull downward in right there. Okay. Go right here, we're going to draw a small triangle inside of that right there. So line like so, out right there, down like so. Okay. Keeping it good, keeping it chill, keeping it relaxed. Over here on this side, I'm going to draw the far side ear. So it's going to go out over that way, out, down. There we go. That one, we're not going to draw an inner triangle because we're not seeing the inner part of that ear. Okay, let's pull down over here. So we're going to follow this line downward. And around this area, I can just mark it. I'm going to pull a straight line just downward, okay? Kind of elongated there. Alrighty. So far, so good. I'm going to draw a line straight across right here because we're going to draw some shoes, but for now we're not. Upward. Line over here underneath the body. Downward here. Alrighty. Let's go over here now to the spike, and we're going to start maybe about this point right there where the spikes are overlapping just a little bit. And by the way, don't forget, this stuff is just fun. Don't worry about, keeping it exact. You just want to be like in the ballpark, right? And that's all you need. The impression to the viewer that matters. Curve out right there for that last spike and curve in. We stop maybe about that level here. Start maybe about this point. We're going to draw a line down right here for the backside and other part of the leg. So we're going to go over here. We're going to draw a straight line downward. And then we're going to connect this line as well. Remember, this is like a shoe there. So that's kind of what we're doing. Fill it in. All right, we're just fixing that error there. So we're going to draw the top of the shoe. So I'm going to flare it out just a little bit, flare it out just a little bit. It's going to be the top of the sneaker kind of thing, like the tongue of the sneaker. Flare it out just a bit, flare it out just a bit. Line under here. Line under here. Like so. And then we're gonna draw like a line right here, line right here. It's gonna be on the tongue of the sneakers there. Go on both sides. And if you really want, you can draw, well, I guess we should, a line like so. I don't know what to even call that. It's like a small square inside those shapes. So it's cool, on his sneaker, he has an actual ring right there wrapped around it. So that's kind of what we're gonna see, that curve. It's like that ring is wrapped around that sneaker area. So now we're gonna go over here, we're gonna draw a U shape, like so, and a U shape on this side. Okay. Line diagonal over here, line diagonal over here on one shoe. Let's do it on the other one as well. And then we can draw maybe like a up square right there, for he has this like square part on the front of his sneaker on that side. Okay, let's get into the juicy stuff over here. Start around this point, we're gonna draw his backpack. So we're gonna pull down, oopsie daisy, I did that on accident. Down, curve in, right there. All right, we're almost done. Stick with me, we are almost done, okay guys? Almost done. Now we're gonna draw that kind of thing he has, this kind of chest hair thing he's got going, which is pretty funny. So we're gonna draw a V shape from maybe around this side, down here. And that's the bottom of the V, and then out over here. We'll start maybe at this point, maybe at the top, and then it's almost like a heart, like a weird heart. So curve, 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 curve. You could do 3 or 4 to make it to that point. So curve, 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 curve. Right? He's got that like fuzz thing on his chest. And now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to find the identifying marks on this guy. So right here, we're going to pull down like so. That's going to be the red mark on the top of his spike. Curve right there as well. Down over here, so like a V shape at the center of the head. And then we're going to draw a curve back at this point, curving back toward the spike like so. And then this one's going to curve off over there, right? Because it's on the other side. One last thing, okay? So on the lens, we forgot to draw, you know, what to make it look like a lens. So I'm going to start over here and draw like a curved shape over here on this side. So curve. And then I like to add a little circle over here, like we're looking at like a television set. And there you go. Share the video if you can. It helps the channel out a lot. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Stick around, and we're going to go through another drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.